So just, okay. So what about others? Others also fine, or so you are comfortable with the classes?
No.
Okay, so you want from the scratch?
Yes, sir. From starting.
Yeah, okay. So let me create a simple project. Okay, I'll create a simple project. Then we'll take up from the beginning. So first I'll tell you from the project onwards, what is the project and how to create a project. I hope you all know. Just file, new, a Java project, directly you can create. Otherwise, the second option is you can create a project. So if you click on Java project, it will land directly in the project name place. Otherwise, you can come through file, new, project. The project is, again, you have to search here which type of project. There are different type of projects. It's already started, right? And get why you want again. Already started. I'll share this in our WhatsApp group.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. In our so YouTube channel, it is available. I hope you all subscribe to our YouTube channel, right?
Yes, Ramesh.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So if not done, please do a subscription. So that will help you guys know latest videos. So I'll upload there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'll upload everyday class videos and you can watch from there. Okay, so you can search here Java. Then select the Java project, click on next, and you land in the same place. That's a shortcut. This one is little bit lengthy. So you have to search and come back. So just give Java training. So May 7th, 2023. Okay. So then this is the project name. You can give any name. So it's up to you, whatever the name you want. And then click on finish. So then the project is created. You can just expand this bullet icon and you can see GRE system library and SRC folder. So this is the project name. Okay. This is the project name. So this is the project name. And this is the Java. So this one is the Java. So all the Java code will be available here. This is the source folder. Okay, so the source folder is something, all your code will go here in the source folder. So here you have to create a packages. Packages below you have classes. Classes below you have methods. That's a structure. So that's a structure. First project and then source folder. Source folder below you will create a packages. I'll show you how to create a packages, and even our blog very clearly mentioned that how to create a packages for a particular project inside. So that's the project source inside. Let's go and create all the packages, different packages I'll create. Okay. So now under source, I'm going to create a first package. So what is a package? So package is nothing but a group of similar classes, interfaces, and sub packages. That is called a package. Generally, you will see, right? Even outside also, if you go to trips, there will be packages. So mix of many things, right? Here also package means a group of classes, similar kind of classes, interfaces, and sub packages. This three combination is called one package. That means package below, you can create either classes interfaces, and sub packages. That's the package means. And so let me know, I hope you are aware of the definition of package. Let me write a package definition. So this is a very important. You should know the package definitions there. So package definition is very important. Okay. So just make sure of this package definition. What is a package? So package is a group of similar kind of classes, interfaces, and sub packages. So it's called package. So there are two types of packages are there. There are two types of packages. So what are the package types? Two. So one is user-defined. So user-defined package. What is meant by user-defined package? So user-defined package means the user is creating his own package. So a package which is created by the user. That means you are the user. Who is working on the project? That person. So package which is created by user. Which is created by user. That's called user-defined package. And how can you create a user-defined packages? So generally in the notepad, and you can just write package keyword you will use. It will be on the top. Okay. So package, and you give the package name. So package name must be in the lowercase, all lowercase. Package name must be in the lowercase. And then you have a classes. Package below you have a classes, interfaces, sub packages also you can create. So that's the package means, user-defined package, how you will create. The second one, built-in packages. So built-in packages means a package which is already created by Java. So a package which is already created by Java. So what are the built-in packages? So built-in packages we have java.util, java.lang, so Java is the root package, parent. Util, lang, these are all the sub packages. So IO package, and we have all these are built-in packages already Java created. That means every package contains again a group of classes, interfaces, and sub packages. That's what this. See, Java is the main package. That inside you have util package. Util package inside you have many classes, interfaces. Same lang package also you have many classes and interfaces. IO package also you have many classes. So java.net. So then we have java.sql. So all the SQL related classes, interfaces will be available here. So java.io means all input output stream related, file handling related data will be available there. The classes basically, all the classes. So java.awt package. So these are all the different packages we have. Okay. So this is the package structure. So you will create a packages. So let's go and create the packages. Okay. So what are the advantages? How you will write a package naming conventions? So package naming conventions. So what are the package naming conventions? How will you write? All letters should be lowercase. So every letter you have to give lowercase only. So all letters should be lowercase only. No cap letters. Wherever you are writing a package, give all to lowercase only. So that's a package naming conventions, how you will give. So what are the advantages of packages? So advantages of package. So what are the advantages? First one is, so you can categorize the classes and interfaces. Basically, you can differentiate them. So which package, which class is there, you can easily tell if there is a package concept. Otherwise, if you are keeping all of them in one package, and you cannot distinguish, right? So to categorize the classes and interfaces, we're going to use package concept to categorize the classes and interfaces. So we'll use package concept. So second one, so one package inside classes, you cannot use in another package directly. So that means, so it will provide the protection, access protection. So package provides access protection. So directly you cannot access. There will be some rules and guidelines you have to follow. So package provides access protection. And third one, so any two different packages, you can use same class name or same interface name. But in the same package, you cannot give so same class name. One more class you cannot create. If you already created one class, you cannot create another class. So duplicate class is not allowed. But in the different packages, you can create a same class name or same interface name. So this naming collisions will be avoided. So if you use the package concept. So naming collisions will be avoided. So this is all about a package structure. So a package means a group of similar kind of classes, interfaces, and subpackages is called a package. Packages are two types: user-defined packages, built-in packages. User-defined package means the package you are creating. Then under that, you can create your own classes and interfaces. Built-in packages, already Java created them, and you can just use them. That's it. So you don't need to do anything here. So it's already done by Java or Java or somebody. For example, you are using WebDriver. So WebDriver already created their own packages and classes and interfaces. You just need to consume them, how to consume in your project. So that is, I'll show you that how to consume that. But here, so how you can use a Java code in this project, because there is a JRE system library. So this JRE system library has all the Java code. So all these packages are available here. So that when you're writing a code, already ready-made code, whatever they have developed, that you can use it in your classes and interfaces. So that's the main reason the Java library is there in your project. So that's the main crucial if to run your program also. If you want to run your program also, you should have a JRE or JDK. So if you have, and then you can run your program. Otherwise, you cannot run. Without the JRE, make sure the project below, you should have a JRE system library. If this is not there, it doesn't work out. So that means you are making some mistake. So check that. So which Java is there? See, my Java is Java 11, right? I have Java 11. This is the Java 11 I have. So this is how you can find out what Java you have in your project, current project. So let's go and create. I'm clearing up this. Is it fine, right? Are any questions here before moving on?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are we good? So everyone,
Yes, miss.
Yes, sir.
okay. So Srivani, Vishal, Wali,
Yes, sir. Clear, sir. Yes, sir.
Tara Chandra.
Clear, sir. Clear, sir.
Good. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. So how to create these packages, user-defined packages. So I'm going to create a user-defined packages. Let's go and create the user-defined packages. So how to create a package? You have to first expand your project. Expand it. Go to source, select the source, right click, new, you have a package. See, you can create a package, you can create a class, you can create an interface, you can create a enum, you can create a so many all new things. If you want, you have to select always new. Okay, new class or new package, new interface, new enum, new file, new folder. So these are the things you can create. So let's create first package. Okay, I'm creating my user defined package. Click on package. Now see, create a new Java package. So name, you give any name. Okay, so any name you give. So sample programs. See, all lowercase I'm giving. That's a standards you have to follow while creating the packages. So don't check this checkbox, not necessary. Just give the package name and click on finish. See, it's created. So this is the package structure. See the square in the square inside you have some rows and columns type. So now there is no classes. That's why it's in white color. Okay, so if I create a classes, it will be turned into brown. So I'll show you that. So let's go and create a few more packages. New package. So just give here to variable programs, variable type programs. So next time I want to create one more package, method programs. See, I'm categorizing all different topics, one package I'm keeping. So tomorrow, if I want variable type programs, I can go to that package and I can see my programs. So that is easy, right? To understand. If I want method programs, I can go to method programs package and I can see all of them. Right? So that's the categorization. Easily you can do whatever the way you want, how you want to organize your classes. So that's easy to maintain, organize your classes and interfaces. That's the main purpose of package concept. So I have theoretically I've shown, now I'm showing practically here. So any questions here? Now I'll go and create a one class here. How to create a class? So what is a class first? A class is a blueprint or a template. So it is used to create objects. It's just a template. Okay, so first you should have a template to create objects. The template you are creating using class keyword. That's a class keyword, how you will create. So class is a template or a blueprint which is used to create objects. So a class, when you create a class, it won't occupy any memory. So it won't occupy any memory if you create a class. So how will create a class? Using class keyword. So that's a class. And so what you will write inside the class? Class inside you can write sorry, class inside you can write variables, methods, constructors, blocks. These are the 4 members placed inside the class. You can place inside the class static blocks, you can place methods, you can write variables, you can declare constructors, you can declare. So these are the members of a class. But is it mandatory all of them you have to write? Not mandatory. Any one of them you can write. So that's what we have here. So in the how to create a class, I have shown you very clearly, and you can follow this and nicely, okay, everything is very so clearly given here. So how to create a naming conventions, I'll show you now, and how to give the, see, everything. If you follow our blog, so very clearly mentioned, and project structure, Java file name, and so package name, and user defined package name. This one, see, user defined package name, and also class beginning part, main method beginning part, everything I have given very clearly. So this is how you can create a class. And class keyword is the main class keyword and class name. Then curly brackets, set of curly brackets. Okay, start curly bracket, end curly bracket. Make sure if you start the curly bracket, you must end that. So, but how many you open, how many you closed, you have to check that. See, this is the one, this is the starting, and this is the ending. Again, main method, one more curly bracket is there, and you can end here. So this is the even class and methods have set of a pair of brackets. One is a open bracket and closed bracket. And so basically, how we will write the class name? The class name basically starts with a capital letter. First word, first letter, you have to write a capital letter. And every word, first letter you have to write in capital. Remaining letters you keep in the lowercase. Remaining letters you keep in the lowercase. So remaining letters you can keep in the lowercase. But make sure every word, first letter should be capital. Every word, first letter should be capital. If your class is having only one word, first letter you keep capital, remaining in lowercase. If your class is having more than one word, so then each word, first letter should be capital. So that's the naming conventions, you must follow them. So that's a very important. See, is the first letter capital, remaining all lowercase. So that structure we have to follow, mandatory those structure, and you must follow them. Okay. So, and naming conventions mandatory. So even if you are using already existing class or you are writing your own class, these rules are mandatory. So what are the naming conventions of a class? Once again, how will write the class name?
Starting keyword should be caps, right?
Starting letter should
Yeah,
be
letters.
big letter.
capital. Starting letter should be a capital letter.
Capital.
And remaining letters should be in
Lowercase.
So that's the standards, we should follow that. And let me create a class so that you can understand. Okay, so any package you choose, which package you want to create a class, just right click, new class. So the class name is, you just give any name. Okay, so so that's why M capital, one word, right? First F capital. So Java J capital. Each word first letter you should write in capital letter. My first Java program, P capital. So this is the class name. So this is the package name. See, package below class is there. So this is the project and then source folder. So project, source folder below package. This is the hierarchy you need to understand. That's a very, very important. And then you have, so these modifiers, I'll touch base these modifiers maybe. So after some time, okay. So let's finish first a basic program. Then we'll discuss this in tomorrow's class, or if we get a time today also we'll do that. So these are the 4 access modifiers you might know already. And then we have another non-access modifier keywords. Basically, modifiers are 2 types: access modifiers, non-access modifiers. This is the very, very, very special, this modifiers. You have to focus on modifiers because I'm going to use these modifiers in every formula. That's why you should know these keywords. So access modifiers means public, package, private, protected. 4. Non-access modifier means abstract, final, static, volatile, and transient. So these are the non-access modifier keywords. Then, so can you see here superclass? Whatever the class you create, the parent of the class you are creating is always going to be object. Object is the parent class for all the Java classes. So which package that is available? Java.lang package. So Java.lang package, what kind of package? We just now discussed already. What kind of package is that?
Built-in package, sir.
Built-in package. Built-in package. That package inside already object class is created. Object class is already created by Java. So that means all object class methods you can use here in this class. That's a parent. That's a superclass means. So this is applying inheritance rules. So the hoops concept, we'll discuss that later. So that's the parent of any Java class that you are going to create. Then choose the main method. So why do you need a main method? So what is the main method structure? Main method is not going to change. It's an unchangeable portion, this one. Public, static, void, main, parenthesis, string square bracket, args. That means this main method accepts string of array arguments. So you can give array arguments for this main method. So if you want to execute any code, you must need main method in your class. Without this main method, your program is not going to execute. So to execute your program, you need main method in your class. That's a mandatory. Okay. Then click on finish. So you can see here, the top, there is a file name. My first Java program .java. What is the extension for Java file? What is the extension for Java file?
Java.
Java. So Java. You can see here .java. So please be active, guys. So don't be silent. Okay. So .java is the file name. What is your class name? So how can you find your class name? Class keyword after the class name will be there. That's a class name. So how can you find a class name?
After class
The name
keyword,
which is after
name
class, the
will-
keyword class.
So the class name will be there. Okay. So that's the class name, how you can find. So then see class below. See this, when I select this one, see it is highlighting here. So this is the beginning. So this is the class beginning. This is the class ending. So this is the main method beginning. This is the main method ending. So this meeting is going to end. So join quickly, same meeting again. We'll continue. Okay. So if it ends also, don't worry. So join the same meeting. Tomorrow onwards, I'll just see continuous thing. Okay. That's
Okay,
the, so let's join back. So it is going to end soon. Let's join back and we'll continue writing the program, small program.